Okay, this is everything you need to know to play all the Grade 1 Trinity scales in one short video. And I've tried to make it as simple to memorize as possible. So you need to be able to play scales starting on C, D, E, F or G. Now some of those will be major, some of those will be minor. You don't need to worry about that too much. You just need to think about, if I have a scale starting on this note, what sharp or flat will it have in it? And this is the way I remember it. If it's starting on C, it's got no sharps or flats. If it's starting on D, it's got one flat, B flat. If it's starting on E, it's got one sharp, F sharp. If it's starting on F, it's got one flat, B flat again. If it's starting on G, it's got one sharp, F sharp. So in other words, nothing. Flat, sharp, flat, sharp. The flat is always B flat and the sharp is always F sharp. So let's see how that would work. So with the C scale, they'll only ask you to do what's called contrary motion, which is the thing we've done lots. So you start with your thumbs and you turn. So that's the C scale. That's actually a C major scale, but you don't need to worry about that. It's the only scale they'll ask you starting on C. Right, let's look at the D scale, which will be a D minor, and you don't need to worry about that. You just need to think about a D scale. It's going to have a flat. It's the B flat I was talking about. So the right hand will go, like with the C, you go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the left hand will start with the little finger. You'll walk up to your thumb, take a 3 onto a B flat. Watch you don't play B as well. Watch you take your thumb under. So that's the D. Then we move on to the E. Remember I said this has got one sharp in it. It's F sharp. There's the F sharp. Watch you put your third finger down before you turn. And then on up to the top. And then a 3, F sharp. Then in the left hand, same thing. Don't forget the F sharp. 3 over. Back you go. Thumb under. Moving on to the F. It's F major, but again, you don't need to worry too much about that. It's got a flat in it, the B flat. Now, this is the only one that has slightly different fingering in the right hand because it's very difficult, awkward to take your third finger, you take your thumb after your third finger onto a B flat. So we just do it the other way around. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. C is the next note. 1, and you'll end on your fourth. That's correct. Then you come back, 4 on a B flat. So that's the one to watch out for, because it's not 1, 2, 3, thumb, 1, 2, 3, 4, then a thumb, ending on 4 at the top. The left hand's the same as normal, it's just it works out okay in the left hand. You walk up to your thumb, not forgetting your B flat, then a 3 over, don't forget to take your thumb under, back into the C. And then the last one, G major. This is the G scale, so we have nothing, flat, sharp, flat. This has a sharp, F sharp in it. It's right up there. So it goes 1, 2, 3. Left hand starts on the little finger, thumb under. So there we go, that's everything you need for your grade 1 scales. Remember, C has nothing, D has one flat, E has one sharp, F has one flat, G has one sharp. The sharp is always F sharp, the flat is always B flat. So remember, F sharp means an F that has moved up, so to the black note, and a B flat means a B that has moved down a tiny bit. Only other thing to watch out, that one odd one, F major in the right hand. It's easy to play as long as you remember that it's different. Fourth finger. And remember, in the exam, these just need to be nice and smooth, not too fast, nice and flowing, and legato.